Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. It's Mama Juju and I've been crafting again. Okay, what you see is the December Dear Julie Julie Junk Journal Challenge Finished Journal. And this is my flip through of the finished journal. Okay, so the challenge was to make a journal. We had to use 2 of the Dear Julie digital kits. Make a cover, and the binding was either lace binding with the rings or a lace binding with ribbon or a 3-ring binder. We had to have 2 or more signatures, 60 pages or more. And we had to make 12-page ensembles that she listed and gave us, and we had to have all the tucks filled with all the pockets and tucks and stuff filled with an insert, and all of those had to have at least 3 enhancements or embellishments a piece, with 3 things. And then we had to make some embellished pages that wasn't bulky, and we had to do 1 of each of the 12, and then we had to make the embellishments and stuff out of the 20 listing that she gave us, so that was 12 different embellishments. Whew, okay, so I did a 3-ring binder because, I don't like that other stuff. Okay, so we've got lace on the outside cover, and I used the rings. I used an old recycled book cover that I saved for the cover of the binder. Okay, when you open her up there, this is the Halloween napkin thing that I got from the Dollar Tree haul. Halloween was over, but I really like this napkin, and that's just a 1-layer napkin. That's a really good napkin to use for covering and stuff. You'll see it over in a minute. It's really good. They only had 1, so the front page I just put like a protector, to protect the rest of my pages. Oh, I'm sorry, the theme of the journal was supposed to be an ideal journal, that we put these pages in, and then we can use it to put any other ideals in it. The front cover here is a Miss excuse me, I couldn't get my throat cleared. Miss Caroline Craftree, her challenge that she does and has her freebies. This was her January of 2023 challenge that she did. So I put this in here, well, that I did of hers. I put this in here as kind of like, it reminded me of a countdown, because, this is Christmas related, and it's ideals, and it's the end of the, end of the year, first of the new year. So end of old things, beginning of new things. So that's why I put that in there. Kind of got a little deep there, didn't I? Okay. The first one we had to do was what is called a flip-flop with a flap. And it has the flap there, and I put a little holder on it. This is a large tag with the job in here, and this is a large pocket. This is a page with lines. This is a page with stamps. That's my Eco Dyed page. This is a page edge with stacked stickers. Stacked stickers are stickers that are stacked up on an embellishment, and all the stickers must touch. This is a fold down flip up here that's stuck into my double tuck. And then this is striped paper on a page. This is an altered paper clip. That's a cluster. Flip it over. Oops. Flip it over. Here is the envelope that makes the double tuck. This is striped because I did this first on the sneak peek, and during the explanation video it had to be on a separate page. So redid it. Here's striped page here. dyed page. This is a hidden journal card here, and just a regular journal card. Here's a hidden journal card. It slides out the bottom there. This is my corner double tuck with the mystery. So here's the corner double tuck. Oh, corner double tuck, and I got my stuff in it. And the mystery is it's a slide deep hidden pocket up in there. Okay. That's just the extra page. This is the extra page, and this is the bag pocket. Another page, extra page. This music page flips over, and this is my double edge pocket. That's just a colored page. This is my layered belly band with the mystery, and it also has distress sponge used creatively, and I made flowers and stuff with it. The layered belly band is the belly band here. Then this is the belly band up under here, and this is the belly band up under here, and then this opens up. This holds it here. You pull this open here, and that's your journaling spot. And then the first layer of the belly band here are pockets. This is a layer of pockets, and they hold stuff. So it doesn't look like it should have did that, should it? But it did. Bam! There you go. Told you. Don't know what happens on the back for it. Alright, that's just some extra special paper. I just like that page of this book. That just, you know, made my heart giggle. Okay, this is a tip in with the lock. And yeah, it tips in. Put a little extra wonky in there with bowed up because it was trying to stick out. There's a music page. There's another bag. This one locks in. Another bag. This is a fold over tuck and tack, and it did have a collage board. You know, this is a collage board made over a collage board. On the back I have a twisty tangle here. It's a twisty tangle, and then on a tag, and then this is a tag on the pockets of there. Okay. This is, again, I love that. It's from that Dollar Tree. Okay, this is my napkin on the page. This is my master board. Again, with my pink paper. This is painted paper, and this is watered down acrylic paint. You know, sprayed airbrush. It's supposed to be DIY airbrush spray paint. Okay, this is my privacy envelope tuck and flip with the paint, but I had to paint another page, and that's the other side of it. There it is. There it is. Okay. Okay, that's the Christmas page. That's a flip, fabric flip with a stack of note and a cluster. Oh, and I did have bubble pages, but I had to do another one, so booyah, there's my bubble page. So, got my little bubble pages. He's a bubble man. Okay. There's my Christmas. Okay. This is a policy envelope. We're almost there, y'all. This is a policy envelope. 9 minutes. Damn, I'm getting good. I mean, I'm sorry, YouTube. Policy envelope with a, oh, this is the old one. Hold on. That's the one we had. That's what we got during the sneak peek, and it was changed. Policy envelope page with a dangle wrap closure. That's this one. That's the dangle wrap closure with that. And a little wax on the page. That was the original one, number 10, which was a page with the lock and tip in. Okay, this is the embossing. Okay, this is the 6-pack flip. It flips out. And you got the tags and clusters in them. That's got the stickles on it. and stamped on it. Gold, that gold edging. Santa Claus. Okay. My pink paper again. My dyed paper again. This is the double, let's see, the envelope flap with a double pocket. And I did have, you know, stack there and a cluster here, and that was a note in the pocket to write on journaling spot. Looks like Santa Claus, you know, little short Santa Claus. No, I'm on the naughty list. I chopped his legs off. Okay, here we go. Getting cold in your stocking. One more. Okay, that's the stencil page. This is the back of it, and this is the one I put back here, you know, to cover that. This is the back of it, covered with the vintage wrapping paper, because, you know, it's Christmas, and that's such pretty wrap paper to me. Okay, I'll flip it over. And I have a larger set of rings, but it was just flopping around, you know, right now. So I put the smaller rings on it until it gets a little thicker, and then I can change it out. And on the side, I just tied the lace to make it a little, you know, frou-frou, because I like the frou-frou. That is the complete December Dear JulieJulie Junk Journal December to Remember challenge. So I thank you. You have a good night and a great, wonderful weekend. And Mama Juju's got to craft some more because I am so behind on that collage. I'm going to try to get it out to y'all. I know you think I've done deserted that, but I hadn't. Y'all just pray for me. Just pray for me. Bye. Love you. See you next go round.